moment you see it, you instantly feel the Lakers' energy, thanks to these bold varsity maize and varsity purple accents. The colors scream home court dominance, the same way Kobe dominated the game at the Staples Center. Now, one of my favorite things about this sneaker is the attention to detail. We've got Kobe's jersey number and his signature logo stitched on the heel, giving it that Mamba-approved touch. And check this out, the debossed Kobe logo on the outer heel. This isn't just another Air Force One, this is basketball history on your feet. The premium tumbled leather feels super high quality, and Nike didn't cut any corners on this release. The midsole? Classic air cushioning for all-day comfort, whether you're rocking these on the streets or keeping them dead stock in your collection. The outsole is built for durability, and honestly, this colorway is versatile enough to match with just about anything. But let's talk about the real reason this sneaker is special. It represents Kobe Bryant's sneaker free agency era. Back in the early 2000s, Kobe wasn't tied to any sneaker brand, and he rocked some of the most unexpected heat, including Air Force Ones. This release is a throwback to that moment, making it a must-have for Lakers fans. Alright, sneakerheads, if you're looking to cop these kicks without breaking the bank, you need to check out repsneaker.net. They're one of the best sites out there for high-quality sneakers at unbeatable prices. Now, I know what you're thinking, is this site legit? And the answer is yes. Repsneaker.net is a trusted platform with a solid reputation, and you can even find their customer reviews on Trustpilot, so you know you're shopping with confidence. One of the things I love about this site is their crazy discounts. And here's the best part just for my RSNOW UNBOX fan. Let me break it down for you. These sneakers originally cost $144, but with our special discount, you can get them for just $122.40. That's a steal for this level of quality. If you're looking for top-tier sneakers, amazing deals, and 100% trustworthy service, make sure to hit up repsneaker.net and use my code RSNOW for 15% off. Don't sleep on this deal, because these sneakers are flying off the shelves. If you enjoyed this unboxing and want to see more fire sneaker reviews, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to RSNOW UNBOX. Also, let me know in the comments which sneaker you want me to review next. That's it for today's video. Stay fresh, stay stylish, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.